For more AID tutorial, go to my playlist and hit the bell notification icon so you will be notified about every new video from this. Welcome to my AID tutorial 20.4. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to add swipe refresh layout in WebView. First go to AIDE, click on for export, new Android project. Let's change the name WebView, change the package name, click on create. First of all, we'll change the layout from linear to relative. We'll add XML version. Including UTF-8. Okay. Since I'll remove this gravity. Now we'll remove this text view and I'll add web view. Let's give it ID. Okay. Before the web view, we should add swipe refresh layout. Android support before.widget swipe refresh layout. Let's give it ID. make it swipe. Let's swipe. Give it a height and width. Match parent. And let's close this. Let's go to main activity.java and import WebView and swipe refresh. Let's name it web and swipe refresh. Swipe refresh layout, that will name it swipe. We should import a project. Click on view files, click on add to project, and we'll need to add support before library. Okay, yes. Now we'll add find view ID for swipe and web view. Web equals to web view find view ID r.id dot main web view. Similarly, we'll add for swipe view refresh. Let's swipe equals to swipe refresh layout find view ID r.id dot swipe. Okay, we'll import swipe. Now let's add URL for web dot load URL inverted comma start https. I had like to use my site shmkumar.com.np inverted comma close bracket close semicolon. Add web settings. Let's name it web setting. Equals to web dot get setting semicolon htint. Now we'll add web setting dot set JavaScript enable. That will be true. Web setting we'll add app-catch enable. Let's add a web dot get setting dot set app-catch enable. That will be also true. Now we'll add web view client web dot set WebView client. That will be new WebView client. Now we'll add swipe refresh close after page is loaded. Public void on page finished. WebView view comma string URL swipe dot set refreshing, that will be false. Now we'll add on click listener for swipe dot set on refresh listener, that will be new swipe layout refresh layout dot on refresh listener. In bracket close and open and inverted comma curly bracket open, that will be at the rate override. On click on swipe refresh, the page should be reloaded. So we'll add public void on refresh the web dot, that will be reload. Unknown override. Okay, now we'll add permission for the internet access. Go to android.manifest, add permission, uses that permission, android is to name equals to android dot permission dot internet internet. We'll add we'll also add in network state, access network state. Okay, and access underscore network underscore state. Let's build the app. Click on install anyway. Click on open, done sent. Now my page is opened. If I swipe down, it will reload the page. Thanks for watching.